Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, let's dive into this spelling game for young learners.
For parents of young kids, this is a challenge we face pretty much every day.
So we're going to look at a toy that's designed to be a really fun solution. It gets kids introduced to letters and words with a hands-on approach. Let's see how.
The process is super simple, which encourages kids to just play on their own.
The game comes with these durable wooden letter blocks and a bunch of word cards.
You know, the gameplay loop here is so simple. Pick a card, find the letters, and spell.
Okay, but the real value here is the learning that happens while they're just playing.
It directly targets those key literacy skills by matching physical letters to words.
And it's not just literacy. It builds cognitive skills that help with all kinds of learning. This right here, it's one of the core benefits of any good Montessori-style toy.
So, for any parent, what about the practical details? That's what's really crucial.
It's made from high-quality wood, it's safe for little hands, and super easy to store. The starting price for the standard set, it's just under $20.
There are actually two versions, a standard set and one that adds a little bell.
Okay, so let's look at the bigger picture here. How does this all come together?
Well, it's really about building a positive relationship with words right from the start.
And because it's so simple and compact, it's great for pretty much any setting.
So, what if the best way for your kid to learn was just to play?